Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix your Nintendo Switch 2 when it's not turning on quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Charge the console properly. Step 1. Plug the official charger directly into a wall outlet. Step 2. Connect it to the Switch 2, not the dock. Step 3. Charge for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Step 4. Try turning it on again. Fix 2. Force restart the Switch 2. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Step 2. Release the button. Step 3. Press the power button once to turn it on. Fix 3. Check the dock and cables. Step 1. Remove the console from the dock. Step 2. Unplug the dock cables. Step 3. Reconnect everything firmly. Step 4. Try powering on the console. Fix 4. Try powering on without Joy-Cons. Step 1. Detach both Joy-Cons. Step 2. Press the power button on the console. Step 3. Reattach Joy-Cons after it turns on. Fix 5. Test another charger or outlet. Step 1. Plug the charger into a different wall socket. Step 2. If possible, use another compatible USB-C charger. Step 3. Try turning on the Switch 2. Fix 6. Let the battery reset. Step 1. Leave the console charging overnight. Step 2. In the morning, press and hold power for 5 seconds. Step 3. Turn it on normally.